those things which is possible, working within. Okay.
And last one, ma'am.
Yes.
In chemical digestion, you indicated HCl as destroys bacteria, maintains pH balance. And is that the HCl, the chemical used in the liver, or HCl is the name of chemical, or?
Yeah, hydrochloric acid.
Okay.
HCl means hydrochloric acid.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. And your tabular columns are very useful and very informative, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Chal. So today we are going to study this circulatory system and yoga. Circulatory system को नाम दूसरा एक नाम है cardiovascular system. Okay, don't get confused. These two are different. Now here, this name suggests, circulatory system suggests the function of this system, that is circulation, right? एंड कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सिस्टम जो नाम दिया है उससे हमें स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पता चलता है. कार्डियो मीन्स हार्ट and vascular means blood vessels. Okay, so like that we name of those system itself telling us structure and function of that particular system. Now let us move ahead. Today we are going to have introduction of this system. We will explore the structures, that is heart and blood vessels. In blood vessels mainly we will be understanding about what is arteries, veins and capillaries, what is the difference between them. Then we will understand about the function of this system, that is circulation, and then effects of yoga in prevention of the disease, circulatory diseases, and therapy. Now, whenever we talk about circulatory system disorder, treating circulatory system disorder, it means we are doing the work on the heart diseases. Okay, there are a lot of heart diseases people have, and there is a group of, actually we can say syndrome. Means we cannot say one heart disease. There are multiple diseases included in the circulatory disorder, circulatory system disorder. So always when we talk about yoga and Ayurveda, both are sister science. Okay, so they both try to do the work on your body and mind in prevention purpose mainly, that you should not fall sick at any cost. So for that they have been given us a lot of rules and regulation, that is yama niyama, and in Ayurveda sadavritta means behavioral conduct, code of conducts. So but since we are human being and we tend to make mistake, we fall into the pleasure, taking pleasure from the sense organs. Instead of controlling them, we fall sick, and when we fall sick we suffer from certain diseases. When it comes to context of this circulatory system, then we have to take care even therapy part. So second goal of those sciences is to recover fast from the sickness, right? So then the therapy comes into the picture. So there are two different aspects whenever you prescribe some yoga to anyone. So first you need to rule out any disease is present in that person or not. If he is fit, he or she is fit, then there will be different way of approach prescribing or taking this yoga for them. And if they are diseased person, then definitely you have to work through the therapy module. ओके, सो इस तरीके से आपको योगा बहुत लाइटली नहीं लेना है. सबको सेम, भले आसन सेम है, पर्वतासन है, बट द पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम शोल्डर जॉइंट इश्यूज, फ्रोजन शोल्डर है, वो हाथ ऊपर कर ही नहीं सकता है, सो उसको आप पर्वतासन कैसे दोगे? इस तरीके से आपके माइंड को हमेशा पूछते रहना है कि क्या ऑप्शन है. नाउ we will just start continuing our journey which we have started yesterday, that about food which we eat, it where it goes. So from mouth we understood it is coming inside the tube, that is esophagus, and then stomach, and then intestine. And from small intestine it is getting absorbed, nutritious things get absorbed, right? यहाँ तक आप सब मेरे साथ हो? All
Yes.
of you are with me?
Yes.
Okay. And whatever not needed, it is sent towards the large intestine, right? So here what we are seeing now, from small intestine where blood goes, where that food goes, I can say that food is now not remain as a food what we have taken. It is transformed into minute particles, and almost it is like a rasa, the juice type of, now that transformation happened from the hard particle. Our system has worked to transform into the body level the particle which has been accepted by our system. So it has become very 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 minute, right? Like bolus first tha, food का first bolus हुआ, बाद में chime हुआ. Now it is extracted as a juice form, and that liquid, semi liquid, viscous form, that is what now taking into the circulation. So in the circulation there is already the things are moving. And what is in the vessels? Blood vessels, blood. Okay, blood is present. So in that blood now another we have sent the nutrient which is added. Now this is also become the part of blood. Okay, now in blood there are a lot of things are there. So we will see what is. Now here just consider it is the rasa dhatu, which rasa and rakta both are present. Okay, so rasa means you can compare with the plasma. So basically in blood we have plasma, that is transparent fluid. Okay, it doesn't have any color. Okay, so plasma 55 परसेंटेज होता है एंड ब्लड 45 परसेंटेज होता है. ब्लड मीन्स उसमें आरबीसी होता है, डब्ल्यूबीसी होता है, प्लेटलेट होता है. ओके, सो इस तरीके से नाउ दिस लिक्विड इज प्रेजेंट विच इज इन द vessels. Now from here which vessel is collecting this? So you see here portal vein. Okay, now this is what deoxygenated blood है, right? ये अभी lungs के यहाँ पे गया नहीं है. So अभी प्रोसेस शुरू होगी कि यहाँ पे जो ब्लड जाएगा वो वेन में जाएगा, क्योंकि वेन has our veins which are one of the blood vessels which carries deoxygenated blood. Okay, so the connection to the small intestine villi is having this, the portal vein which is connected. It is collecting this extract of the food, and which is in the form of plasma and the blood. So it goes and it enters into now the liver. See the liver ke, because why it is entering into liver again? Even
it will get more mixing with the enzymes.
Detoxification, because liver is the chemical factory. Liver is nothing but it is a chemical factory which works a lot to remove all the kinds of toxins. जो भी toxins है, सीमा मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रही हूँ, आधी बातें तो हिंदी में ही बोल रही हूँ, बट जो जहाँ जहाँ फिर इंग्लिश, कोई लोग इंग्लिश भी चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए भी मुझे बोलना पड़ता है. Okay, so I try my level best to talk in the both the language. So when it enters from small intestine into liver through portal vein, this portal vein has a lot of branches you can see here, and it liver acts on that particular particles, that the plasma and the blood, whatever remnant part after digestion enters into the circulatory system. After this you see here is the second picture. From this portal vein there is a hepatic vein. Second, inlet and outlet everywhere you will see. Entry है, exit है, right? हमारे लाइफ में भी ऐसे एंट्री है, birth and death, right? But everything means that doesn't mean that the things has vanished. It is there, but it had just changed the form. Okay. So here from that liver, when the liver acts on that particular extract, after that hepatic vein is connected, which is now connected with the inferior vena cava. Now this inferior vena cava is the big vein which collects all the blood from the lower part of our body. Okay, and from that, and this is deoxygenated blood. Okay, this is not oxygenated blood. That's why it is taken towards the heart. Okay, so just see how the connection is here. So food which comes from the intestine, it enters into the portal vein, then to the hepatic vein, then to the inferior vena cava. Now from here it enters into inferior vena cava. It's connected with the right side of your heart upper chamber, which is called as atrium. ठीक है, तो ऊपर का जो चेम्बर है हार्ट का राइट साइड का, उसको एट्रियम बोलते हैं, और उसमें वो नाउ डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड लिवर के जो पोर्टल वेन और हिपैटिक वेन से लाया गया है. ओके, नाउ हियर another vein, see another vein which is superior vena cava also there. Okay, which is attached here. Since we are just traveling the food, how it is going, so we consider this inferior vena cava. But even this is there is a one vein, big vein coming from the upper part of the body, which carries blood from your head, neck and your chest part, and then connecting to the heart. And same this upper chamber, it is called superior vena cava. Okay, and like this the blood comes and enters into your heart. Okay, so you can see here now again we will just explore this heart after some time. You consider that when blood enters into the heart, from the heart it goes into lungs, and then oxygenated blood ऑक्सीजनेशन ऑफ ब्लड हैपन्स. एंड वो ऑक्सीजनेशन होने के बाद फिर से हार्ट में एक बड़ी आर्टरी रहती है. ओके, उसका नाम है अयोटा. थर्ड पिक्चर अगर आप देखोगे, aorta is again big vessels, blood vessel, which carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body parts. सो यहाँ से होके फिर से ब्लड आयोटा से लिवर में ही आता है, बट नाउ यहाँ पे हिपैटिक आर्टरीज में आता है. ओके, हिपैटिक वेन्स नहीं, हिपैटिक आर्टरीज में आता है. यू सी हियर द रेड कलर आर्टरीज हैज बीन शोन, and from here now it is going to get distributed to all the parts of the body. Okay, so this is how this body to heart, and heart to lungs, and lungs to again body, lungs to heart, and again heart to all the parts of body. So like that circulation is happening. Are you all clear with this concept, how blood goes to the liver and then to the heart, and then from the heart then lungs? So these three are very vital organs of the body: liver, heart and lungs. Nobody talks of liver, but liver plays very, very important role in all the parts, connecting our digestive system and circulatory system, and playing the detoxification role. Okay, now moving ahead,